Your brain is processing 11 million pieces of information per second. You're consciously aware of about 40. Autistic brains, they filter differently. Today, we're breaking down the 3 levels of autism, but not how you've heard it before. We're using neuroscience, real brain imaging, and research from 2024 to show you exactly what's happening under the hood. By the end, you'll understand why support levels have nothing to do with intelligence and everything to do with how your brain processes the world. First, let's talk about what makes an autistic brain autistic. New research shows autistic brains have 17% lower synaptic density overall, fewer connections between neurons, but increased density in the amygdala, the emotion and threat detection center, atypical sensory gating, your brain doesn't tune out background noise as efficiently, different neuron counts in regions linked to reasoning and problem solving. Here's the wild part. Autistic people solved complex puzzles 40% faster than non-autistic people, fewer brain cells. Better problem solving. The narrative isn't broken brain, it's differently wired brain. Level 1 autism is called requiring support. But here's what people don't see. Someone at level 1 can mask. They can pass, they can hold a conversation, but inside their brain, they're doing something called intense cognitive multitasking. While talking to you, they're simultaneously analyzing your facial expressions, monitoring their own speech patterns, predicting what you'll say next, regulating their sensory experience, managing the emotional flood from their hyperactive amygdala, consciously controlling their stimming or body movements. Research shows this masking costs 32% of their daily stress, and it happens in real time. New brain imaging from 2025 shows that autistic teens who pass as non-autistic have distinct neural patterns. Their brains are damping emotional responses while hyper-processing social cues. It's exhausting. Level 1 support needs include help navigating social rules, executive function coaching, understanding sensory sensitivities, permission to stim, take breaks, and be authentic. This isn't mild autism. It's autism with a hidden cognitive cost. Level 2, autism is requiring substantial support. Communication differences are more visible here. Someone at level 2 might use fewer words or more rigid language, take longer to process what you say, struggle to follow conversational flow, use augmentative communication like AAC devices or picture boards, experience more frequent sensory shutdowns, need routines and structure to feel safe. But here's what's important. Communication differences, understanding differences. Someone non-speaking isn't non-thinking. The research on reduced inter-hemispheric white matter in autism shows that information travels differently between brain regions, not that it doesn't travel at all. Level 2 support needs include structured communication systems, consistent, predictable environments, social skills, coaching with scaffolding, sensory accommodations, regular breaks from cognitive sensory demand, recognition of strengths in pattern recognition, memory, or focused thinking. Level 3 autism is requiring very substantial support. Communication is significantly limited. Someone may be minimally verbal or non-speaking. But here's what the neuroscience tells us. Non-speaking autistic people often have intact understanding and cognition. Their brain is processing language, but expressing it requires different pathways. Many level 3 individuals communicate through AAC devices and tablets, typing or writing, art, music, or movement, behavioral expression, facilitated communication. Someone at level 3 may need full-time support for daily activities, experience more intense sensory processing, rely heavily on routines, have complex support needs across multiple life areas, experience co-occurring seizures or intellectual disabilities, but very substantial support needs doesn't mean no potential. Level 3 individuals have shown remarkable abilities in memory, visual processing, music, art, and pattern recognition. Level 3 support needs include comprehensive AAC and alternative communication, full-time care coordination, sensory-friendly environments, predictable structure and routine, medical support for co-occurring conditions, recognition of their agency and preferences. Support that honors their communication style, not forces typical communication. Here's what you need to know. Support levels are not intelligence levels fixed or permanent, a hierarchy of worse to better. Predictive of potential or achievement. Support levels are descriptions of current needs, flexible and changing across context. Recognition that everyone deserves support. Tools for accessing services and accommodation. An autistic person can be at level 1 at work and level 2 at home. Support needs shift with age, environment, stress, and circumstances. Autism isn't on a line from sick to well. It's a different neurotype with real support needs, real strengths, and real potential. If you found this helpful, share it. Comment what surprised you most, and subscribe for more neuroscience that actually honors autistic experiences. Your brain is incredible. Let's stop pretending otherwise.